Hello my dear students. In this session, I'll be sharing with you an amazing trick that you can use to find the cubes of the numbers easily and quickly. This trick can be useful to find the volumes of many 3D solids. So let's begin. So you already have been using the traditional method for finding cube of any numbers. Say for example, if you have to find out the cube of 32. So 32 into 32, you get the product. This product again multiplied with 32, then you get your final answer. So now let us see the trick that you are going to use. First step, 3 cube, 27, and 2 cube is 8. The second step, this will be 3 square into 2, that is 9 into 2, 18. Then 2 square into 3, that is 4 into 3, 12. Now in the next step, you are just going to double these two numbers, that is 18 double is 36 and 12 double is 24. Just add it. So from here, you will be getting 8. This gives you 36. Carry 3. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 36 is 57. Carry 5. And 27 plus 5 is 32. Let's take one more example. Say if I have to find out cube of 51. So first step, 5 cube, 125. And 1 cube is 1. Now 5 square into 1. So that is 25. And this 1 square into 5. And that is 5. Now the next step, just you have to double. So 5 double, that is 10. And 25 double is 50. So now you have to add 1. This gives you 15. So 25 plus 50 is 75 plus 1, 76. So carry 7 and 125 plus 7 is 132. So let us take one more example. So 23, first step, 2 cube, that is 8. And 3 cube, 27. So this will be 2 square into this 3. So it is 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 square into this 2. So this is 18. The next step, just double it. So 12 double, 24, 18 double, 36. And now you have to add it. So from this column, you'll just have 7. This 2 will be carried to the next column. So 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 36 is 56. So carry 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 24 is 41. Carry 4. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Now this sum is for you. Alright students, that's all for today. Practice this trick regularly and you'll be able to cube the numbers in seconds. Don't forget to solve the question that I have given you and mention the answer in the comment section. So thank you for watching. Keep smiling and keep growing.